Hello friends, my name is Mario and this is Exploramix. If you are a person who wants to build own workshop, this video is exactly for you. In this video series, I will show you how I transformed an old barn into a modern workshop/workshop video studio. The whole video series will be divided into several parts where you will see the detailed process. Additionally, I will speak about materials that I used as well as the cost of all tools. As you see, this is still work in progress and we have a lot to explore together. So, this is the part number 1 and let's get started. When I planned this project, I had 3 ideas that I wanted to follow. First, this build had to be highly functional. That means every part of the workshop is carefully planned for the specific purpose. Second, this project needs to be environmentally friendly. That is to say, before buying the new, try to restore what you already have. And third, keep the cost of all materials and tools used at the minimum. That means to get tools that are as professional as it can get and yet that they won't break the bank. The main workhorse was this Makita drill that I bought just a few months ago for about 300 euros. Second great help was this 30 euro hand circular saw from Parkside. Without a doubt, the Makita 4A1 is a professional tool, but what about Parkside hand saw? You will be surprised, but I have it for several years and it never failed me once. You know what? I will make a long-term review on this 30 euro miracle from Lidl. The best way not to miss it is to make sure to subscribe to this channel. This is just a beginning, and yet, as you see, I still stand in not fully finished workshop. In part 2, you will watch how I measured, cut and built these walls. Good things take time, and I want to thank you for making through the whole video and for subscribing to this channel. My name is Mario, this is Exploramix, and we will see you soon. Ciao!